Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 in the Allure specification. So this car is just £30 a year to tax. It features 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's rear parking sensors. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The 7-inch touchscreen has DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, so that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.